Welcome to our guide on regaining access to your Twitter account using your PC through your phone number. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open x.com.begin.password.reset on your PC. Search for the phone number linked to your account. Step 2. Click on Don't have access to these and select I'd like to deactivate or close my account. Step 3. From the second drop-down menu, choose I need help deactivating an account owned by a person who is incapacitated or deceased. Step 4. Fill out the deletion request form, specifying it as a company account. Enter an email address you can access. Step 5. In the Describe field, provide details of your situation. Explain to Twitter why you can no longer access your phone number. Step 6. Click Submit to send the form and initiate the process of regaining access to your account. By following these steps, you can start the process of regaining access to your Twitter account through your phone number. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to regain access to your Twitter account using your PC and your phone number. Take the necessary steps to reclaim access to your account by following these instructions.